Most people have no idea they have a powerful joint pain remedy, potentially overlooked and right in their refrigerator. But you're not like most people, are you? If you're the type who seeks natural solutions before turning to expensive medications, then this is for you. While others search for miracle solutions in pills or costly injections, you're here, taking a proactive step to understand how your body works and how to nourish it properly. After testing this recipe with several friends and acquaintances, the results were surprising. A remarkable 87% reported relief from joint pain in just 3 weeks, and we're not talking about a small improvement. Many were able to return to activities they had given up because of pain. As for me, my knee pain, that nagging ache that had bothered me for years, especially when climbing stairs or after sitting for long periods, disappeared completely. Explaining the why. You see, after age 30, our body's collagen production decreases by about 1.5% each year. This means joints can become stiffer and skin loses its elasticity. It's as if the body is slowly drying out from within. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? This decline explains why we suddenly start feeling pains we never had before, or why skin that was once firm begins to show signs of sagging. But don't worry. Today, we're going to learn how to help reverse this process with ingredients that cost less than $15 and are available at any supermarket or farmer's market. It's like discovering a fountain of youth in your own kitchen. And the most interesting part? This juice has an almost immediate side effect that no one expects. Something that's noticeable in the first week and can completely transform daily life. We'll reveal this later, so stay with us. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to age more slowly, or why certain cultures, like the mountain peoples of Japan, experience fewer joint problems in old age? The secret often lies in nutrition rich in nutrients that stimulate natural collagen production. Collagen is like the cement that holds our cells together, representing about 30% of all proteins in our body. When we're young, we produce it abundantly, giving us firm skin, strong bones, and healthy cartilage. But as we mentioned, this production naturally declines starting around age 30. The good news? We can teach our body to produce collagen naturally again by providing the right nutrients in the right form at the right time. It's like awakening a dormant factory within your own body. Introducing the power trio, chayote, pineapple, gelatin. This revitalizing juice combines 3 simple yet potent ingredients: chayote, pineapple, and unflavored gelatin. Together, they form a powerful combination that the body recognizes as building blocks for new collagen, providing the necessary materials for your body to rebuild what time is wearing away. Chayote, the unsung hero. Chayote isn't just a bland vegetable, it's a goldmine of nutrients. It's loaded with vitamin C, the essential fuel your body needs to manufacture natural collagen. One medium chayote can provide almost 50% of your daily vitamin C needs. Think of vitamin C as a master carpenter, joining collagen molecules together, making them strong and well-structured. Regular consumption strengthens cartilage, leading to less pain, more mobility, and joints that function like they did when you were younger. Chayote is also rich in potassium and antioxidants that fight inflammation. That's why those who consume it regularly report less pain and reduced joint swelling. It's like it extinguishes a silent fire within the body. Pineapple, the bromelain powerhouse. Don't toss the core. Pineapple contains bromelain, a special enzyme that acts like a puzzle solver for proteins. It breaks down large molecules into smaller, more absorbable parts. What few people know is that the highest concentration of bromelain is in the pineapple core, that harder part many of us discard. That's why, in this recipe, we use the core too. Don't worry, the other ingredients balance the taste perfectly. Bromelain also boasts a powerful natural anti-inflammatory effect, with studies showing it works almost as well as some anti-inflammatory medications, but without the harsh side effects on the stomach and kidneys. It's natural medicine built into a delicious fruit. Gelatin, the direct collagen source. Unflavored gelatin is practically collagen in powdered form, derived from animal collagen and processed for easy use. While common gelatin has large molecules, when prepared as we'll show you, it transforms into small peptides that the body absorbs directly. We're giving the body the exact pieces it needs to build new structures, saving energy, and making the renewal process highly efficient. Gelatin also contains specific amino acids like glycine and proline, rare in other foods but essential for joint, skin, hair, and nail health. It's like providing premium building materials for your body. The synergy, why this combo works so well. What makes this recipe truly special is the synergy. The vitamin C from chayote activates collagen production. The bromelain from pineapple helps your body better absorb proteins, and the gelatin provides the direct raw material. It's a perfectly synchronized assembly line inside your body. Alone, each ingredient offers benefits, but together, their effect is multiplied. It's as if 1 + 1 + 1 = 10. This synergy is what makes the results so fast and impressive. The recipe. Let's get practical. Here's what you'll need. 1 to 2 medium chayote, peeled 1 medium slice of pineapple, about 3 to 4 inch thick, including the core, 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, approximately 1 to 3 of an ounce or 10 to 12 grams, 2 to 3 cups, about 400 ml, of filtered water optional, 1 dessert spoon of honey to sweeten preparation steps. The secret is in the gelatin. Hydrate the gelatin, crucial step. This is where many go wrong. Place the gelatin powder in a small bowl with 5 tablespoons of warm water, not too hot, not cold, around 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius, comfortable to the touch. Mix well and let it rest for exactly 5 minutes. This allows the gelatin to bloom or absorb the water, preparing it to dissolve completely. Dissolve the gelatin, microwave the bloomed gelatin for just 15 seconds, or use a double boiler until it's completely liquid. If using a double boiler, remove from heat as soon as it's liquid to preserve its properties. Prepare fruits. While the gelatin rests, cut the peeled chayote into small pieces. No need to remove the seeds, they're nutritious and will be blended. Cut the pineapple slice, with the core, into smaller cubes. First blend. In a blender, combine the water, chayote pieces, and pineapple cubes. Blend for 3 full minutes. This ensures all fibers are thoroughly ground, extracting maximum nutrients. The mixture will become more homogeneous. Second, blend with gelatin. Now add the dissolved liquid gelatin to the blender. Blend for another 2 minutes. This step is fundamental for the gelatin to integrate completely and avoid lumps. Sweeten, optional. If desired, now's the time to add a tablespoon of honey. Wildflower honey complements the flavors well and adds its own anti-inflammatory benefits. The result: you'll have a light green-yellowish juice with a slightly thick texture due to the chayote fibers and gelatin. Don't worry if there's slight separation after a few minutes. This is normal. Just stir again before consuming. How and when to consume for maximum benefit. Best time: drink this juice in the morning on an empty stomach. Your body can absorb up to 60% more nutrients when your stomach is empty. Wait at least 20 minutes after drinking the juice before consuming any other food. This gives your body time to absorb all those important nutrients without competition. Wake up 20 minutes earlier if you have an early breakfast routine. Drink 1 daily dose, about 7 fluid ounces or 200 ml, for at least 21 days. This 3-week period is the average time your body takes to begin significantly renewing collagen in joints and skin. Many notice initial results, less morning stiffness, within the first week. More impressive transformations, less pain, better skin elasticity, stronger nails, often appear after 3 weeks. Long-term benefits. For lasting benefits, continue daily consumption for at least 90 days. After this period, you can reduce to 3 times a week to maintain results. If you need to prepare it in advance, store the juice in the refrigerator in a tightly closed glass container and consume it within 24 hours. After this, nutrients begin to degrade. Glass is preferable to plastic as it doesn't react with the pineapple's acidity. Extra tip: fill the container to the top to minimize air contact, which accelerates oxidation. You can also add a few drops of lemon juice to help preserve the vitamin C. Some people may experience a mild detoxifying effect in the first few days, such as a slight increase in urination or some gas. Don't worry. These are signs your body is eliminating toxins and adapting. These effects usually disappear after 3 to 5 days. If you're not a fan of chayote's flavor, replace half the chayote with cucumber, rich in silica, which aids tissue strength, for a milder, more refreshing taste. Or add a small piece of ginger, thumb-sized, to mask the chayote and boost anti-inflammatory effects. For extra skin benefits, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, enhances absorption of fat-soluble nutrients, improves skin barrier, or half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Curcumin offers antioxidant protection for skin cells. For enhanced joint health, add 1 dessertspoon of previously hydrated chia seeds, rich in omega-3 for anti-inflammatory effects. Or replace honey with 1 teaspoon of propolis drops, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. For those with diabetes, use less ripe pineapple, lower natural sugar. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon powder, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and adds a pleasant flavor. Remember that side effect I mentioned at the beginning? It's about sleep. What I discovered, and what several participants in my test group confirmed, is that this juice significantly improves sleep quality. The glycine present in gelatin has a natural calming effect on the nervous system, helping you sleep more deeply. You seek pain relief and get restorative nights of sleep as a wonderful bonus. If you try this recipe, please tell me in the comments how you felt after 7 days. The first 50 people who comment will receive a special guide with 5 more powerful recipes for joint health. Don't forget to save this information for reference, and of course, share it with that friend or family member who's always complaining about joint pain. You could literally change their life with this simple recipe. Thank you for joining me. Remember, taking care of your health naturally isn't just possible. It's often more effective and accessible than most people imagine. You deserve to live without pain and with vitality regardless of your age.